Okay, so today we're going to talk about the Joker knife. It's a slip joint pocket knife, and I've seen it called a few different things. With the way I looked it up, I looked up Joker carbono. That's what's stamped on the blade because it's a carbon steel blade, but I've also seen it called the Joker carbono. I've also seen it called the Joker slip joint. So that said, let's get it out and take a look at it. It's got a little bit of patina from use and carrying it. I've carried this thing a lot. It's got olive wood handles with very nice character on them. And this thing fits in the hand really well. I like the fact that it swoops down right here where it almost kind of like locks in and curves around your pinky finger. Like I said, there's the carbono marking on it. Joker's a company that makes a lot of knives. They're in Spain, and they've got a reputation for making very nice knives at a very affordable price. They don't just do folding knives, they do fixed blades. They do very nice bushcraft style sheaths where they have ferrule rod loops and danglers and very thick, nice leather work. Like I said, they're out of Spain. They were considered a budget brand for a little while, but the prices started going up just a little bit. But from what I've seen, the fit and finish on every one that I've seen, other than this one, has been excellent. The thing about this one, when I got it, it had a very small crack around the pivot, and then another one down here around this point right here. And I had to repair it and sand it in, but honestly, I feel like it just added to the character of it a little bit. And then I put a forced patina on it, and then it picked up a little more patina from use. But this thing gets crazy sharp. It's a carbon steel blade. Doesn't really have a half stop per se, but it's got a decent lock on it. So let's get the measuring tape out and take a look at it. So the blade's just a little bit under 3 inches, just a little bit over 6 inches overall. And it's the Joker slip joint. And if I'm gonna go with a knife like this, like an old school traditional sort of slip joint, I do want a carbon steel blade on it over a stainless steel blade, just because the old ones were made with carbon steel, so that's what I prefer. And I got this for right around $23, $24 online. I'm not sure if they still have them because they looked like they were starting to get scarce when I got this one. And so I went on and grabbed it up, and I have used the heck out of this, and it's been a great knife. Other than that one little crack, I have no complaints. But I know if you are into Joker knives, the fixed blades, the fit and finish on them looks excellent. So I would definitely recommend looking over their whole catalog and seeing what suits you best. And that's from Joker Knives. Check them out.